Hello YouTube, it's John again, back with Marching Band Lover Films, and today I'm going to show you how to put a shoulder harness on your snare drum. So here we have a marching band snare drum. This is a marching band snare drum, and what you need here is this is called a drum key. I'm pretty sure you know this. This is for all you new people that have drums. Never ever want to lose this. This is to tune your drum and to put the stuff on it. So this here is the shoulder harness. You can see these I don't know what you call these, but these things right here. See these right here? That's where you're going to fit the harness in. So you want to fit these. See? Here, let's bring this here so we can watch, so y'all can watch closely. This can be a little difficult, but I'm going to show ya. I don't ever take the harness off. Don't ever try to take an iron off for no reason. I always leave mine on. Now that's all I want. You want to hold it. If you let go, it's going to come off. Then you want to tighten it down with the drum key. Tighten the other side. Alright, and here's the bolts. Your drum key will fit in there. It's this end. Put it in. Turn it. Yep, there we go. It's tight. Now, there's your way nuts. I built the snare harness, and I'm pretty happy with it. Now, I'll show you with it being on it. Yep, that's what it should look like. Yep, so that's how to put a harness on, yeah.
Big fire, mask on, yeah, fuck it, mask on, big fire, mask on, yeah, fuck it, mask on, big fire, Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big fire.